Hello out there, welcome back. Today we are going to present a challenge that I have recently participated, that is called ACM Cyber Challenges. And this ACM Cyber Challenge has recently completed on 21st of November. And I have come to know about this challenge lately, and I find this challenge very interesting because the challenges are grouped in a different sections. So out of that, I'll be presenting you two of the solution of the challenges that I've faced. First is, and both these challenges are scripting based, so you should have some sort of knowledge of scripting, be it anyone like PowerShell or the Bash shell, Python or Ruby or whatever the language that you are comfortable with. The first challenge is about the law of aviation. The challenge statement you can read right before you, and I'll be presenting a demo in just time to come. And another is tar pit. So in both these challenges, the solver is expected to to use some kind of a scripting language, because if you just want to solve the challenges using some manual method, then it is beyond your scope. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to incorporate your scripting hat, and you have to find out a apt solution for it. Now in the first challenge, it is written that it is a memory based. So whenever there is any memory involved, I think there could be some miss. Okay. And in the other challenge, the tar pit is nothing but a a recursive tarball file, and you have to extract it recursively and find out the flag that lies within it. Now I'll not say that I have solved the problem immediately just by looking at it. So I have also taken certain time to solve it, and I have uploaded all the necessary files for these challenges in my GitHub repo. So before looking into the solutions, I'll recommend that pause the video right here and try to solve by your own, and then you proceed further, and then it will be a great help. If your solution is slightly different from us, then do post your solution in our comment box as well, so that we can also get a cue from it, and we'll include your stuff to our channel. Okay, so that is a kind of win-win situation for both of us. Now you see that each and every challenge is categorized on some marks. Now this is and you can see that only 99% can solve this challenge, so it is pretty, you can understand the importance of the challenge and the degree of toughness. Okay, so before saying anything, let's jump into our demo time, and hope you'll enjoy it. So the challenge is right before you, and it says that the challenges tries to copy certain lines of a movie script and copy another file. So I just downloaded the file, and I found there are two script files there in the folder, that law of aviation, and one is script 1 and script 2. I just opened this file side by side, and I found that there are more than 1500 plus lines are there. So there has to be some mistake in both, or some addition or some deletion in both the file. You can use diff command of Linux, you can use other commands of file comparer, but what I try to do, because I know that there could be some, when I try to compare on the line basis, I definitely find out some lines, but I could not make out the flag easily. Okay, so I thought that I need to do certain customized script. Now for customization, when it comes to customization, Python is the best. So I just quickly launched my Python IDE and just wrote a small script using the string and the iteration tools, and you can see the moment I launched it, I found my flag, and the flag is nothing but honey. So it's very simple. I've uploaded this script in my GitHub repo, and you can have a look at it. It's a very simple script. It is not doing anything. It is just comparing two files on the basis of each and every characters. Okay, and if there is a mismatch found in the character, then it will just flag it. Okay, so I hope this is clear before you. And now we'll jump to the other problem in a short time. The other problem is, as I have told and as I have explained, that it is a recursive GIF tarball file. Now when I just downloaded this file from the challenge and try to extract it, then it was definitely giving me a clue that no number of recursion has been given as a hint. So it could be anything. Now if anyone doesn't have a knowledge, then there could be some cheesy method like using any FTK imager. You can but you have to do lots of down clicks and to extract the file. So what I did, you see, I'm just trying to extract that pit.tzz file, and it is just giving you another pttz. So it clearly shows that there are lots of tar zip files are recursively clubbed together. So what I did, I just created a Python script, recu.py, and it is just using the concept of recursion, and fired this script to find out the flag. So both these scripts are up in my GitHub repo, and you can look at it. And at the same time, I'll definitely assure you that this script is just going to help you in many other CTF to come. So use it, customize it, optimize it, whatever you feel like doing, please do it. And this is, the flag is pretty deep. Okay, the flag is pretty deep. Wow, that's pretty deep. Okay, so thanks for your time and thanks for your love so far. Please keep showering your love to us, and we'll be bringing this kind of interesting things to you. And that's all, signing off for now. Have a great day.